Imagine looking up in the sky and not seeing any birds. Many people know what wetlands are, but don't understand why they are important. I've been a waterfowl hunter for many years, and I have seen the drop in wetlands around my area. Today, I will inform you on wetlands and why they are important in the Earth's ecosystem. First, I will tell you what wetlands are, then I will briefly discuss why wetlands are disappearing, and finally, I will explain how we can help save wetlands. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, wetlands are lands where saturation with water is the dominant factor determining the nature of soil development and the types of plants and animals communities living in the soil and on its surface. Wetlands can be labeled differently from swamps, sloughs, and ponds to names such as bogs and marshes. Every continent has wetlands except Antarctica. Wetlands improve water quality by filtering out pollution such as fertilizers like nitrogen and phosphorus before they reach rivers. Wetlands contribute three major factors for the survival of fish communities. They provide breeding grounds, act as sources of food, and provide cover from predators. Nearly every species of freshwater fish uses wetlands to survive. Waterfowl depend on wetlands as homes to feed, rest, and raise their young. They also need wetlands for their long migration in the fall and spring. Other wet wildlife such as mink, muskrat, and beavers rely on the wetlands for the same areas of survival. The United States has lost over 50% of the wetlands since the 1600s. Humans are the ones to blame for the destruction of wetlands through land development, agriculture, pollution, and the air and water. Humans aren't responsible for all the wetlands that have disappeared. Natural erosion such as sinking land and raising sea levels are also a factor in destroying wetlands around the coast. Now with agricultural practices becoming popular such as drain tiling in the upper Midwest, we could see more wetlands being drained. How can we help prevent this? American Wetland Foundation gives us advice on what we can do. The first thing we can do more is to research more about wetlands and to get to know wetlands a little better. We also can do things such as join non-profit organizations, contribute our services, become involved in local government actions, and finally speak out for protection. Today I informed you on wetlands and the importance they play in the Earth's ecosystem. First I talked about what wetlands are, and then I discussed how wetlands are being destroyed, and finally I talked about how we can help protect wetlands. Now that you have a little idea of what wetlands are, why wetlands are important to the Earth's ecosystem, hopefully we can help protect one today.